connect. And I should be live now. Yeah, I gotta do these in sequence. All right. We are live. Make sure everything works. All right, we're good. Okay, so let's mark out some areas. We got a few minutes before market opens. We do a quick little mark out. It shouldn't take too long. We're on the 5-minute chart here. Just go for midnight. I just want to see what the volume profile looks like from midnight here. This swing just to this area. I just want to see this real quick. Let's see what that looks like. Let's just hide the daily volume. Okay, so we're basically trading in range. I know there's news that releases at 7, so we just got to be careful here. I might not take a trade at 6:30 unless it's a good opportunity and we move quick and I exit quick. That'll be the only way I take a trade. Or not, most of the value is getting traded right here. This is this consolidation zone. So, what real zones do we have here? I can do the daily volume profile. So we have value area low down here. And let's see if we have any true. Just want to see if we have any true where the volume sits. It's kind of most volume sits is deadline. Yeah. We do have an area down here. This is actually off my. This is the value area low. So I'm just gonna mark this off real quick. It's right in this area. This is an important area. If we do come down to this, it can come break below the value area low, retest this, and go high. Yeah, that's the only really area I see. There really is no low volume nodes here. We do have one more area here, and that is kind of where the value area low sits. So, all right, 6:30. Here we go. I'm gonna go to the 1 minute. So these two areas, what I could see is a bounce off here. Wow, this is a strong delta selling off. I could see a bounce off here and move higher, or we could break these areas and possibly see a short if we break this area. So either way, we'll see what happens. If we get absorption happening, I will take the long. And we get a nice strong buy bubble, I'll take the long. If we get a breakthrough of these areas and nice sell bubbles breaking through with a buying bubble that is getting absorbed, then I'll take a short all day. And this is going to be the area where you probably want to buy most, is value area low. So this will be the area where I'm looking at, I guess, majority of time, but we'll see. If this just rips through, breaks this, I'm going short. Excuse me. I sound like using the 54 range bars, especially in the mornings. They're not bad. This is a nice close above that. This is where POC is. I don't trust this yet. I want to see it come to this area. We could move higher. Technically, this is high of the day, so high of the night. We could see a test, like I said, down on value area low, and then we could see it go higher. So that would be the play I'd like to see. because we're at the area where there's the most volume, so there's gonna be lots of orders being placed in this, and I don't want to be taking part of this. This is just a bad area to be taking trades in, and it could be like this just because 7 o'clock news coming out, but you are seeing some buying presence here, so we'll see. Really choppy right now. Not worth taking any trades. Either this area for buys. If we break out there, we can go buys. If it breaks any of these areas too, we go sells. This is a 54 range bar, so chart. I'll snap back from the 1 minute to the 54 range just because 54 ranging kind of better entries. The 1 minute can be, especially in the morning, could be like a 30-point candle. So, yeah, that's why I kind of jump between the 54 range and the 1 minute bar. Yeah, see, this is a mess right here. I want to see it come to this value area low. This is from the day and the range. So if buyers will buy, they'll buy somewhere right around here, possibly even here. And the one thing I am noticing on that CVD is we're starting to get selling pressure. So if we see the cumulative volume delta just keep on selling off, then we'll see how this plays out. But buying note here, you can see it kind of respected that. If we break through it again, we're going to come to this area. And it could be another sell day. I mean, this could very well be another sell day. I'm not going to stick any sort of bias. If I see absorption, then I'll take it. If not. So we have our lows are all the way down here at the POC. Yeah, it could be like this until 7. Hey Yannick, how's it going, man? Best of luck to everyone. Yeah, exactly. Let's do it. Let's get it. I'm gonna be a little more patient today. That was one of the things I lacked a little bit yesterday. I tried to jump on the train a little too early because it was moving pretty quick, but hopefully today is gonna be a little better day. So CBD is still going down. Yeah, we're gonna see it definitely a nice move into this area. You could possibly take a short if it breaks like this area for a small scalp, something like be on the riskier side. We can go something like this if it comes up breaking down or something like that. You could do something like that possibly if it comes back and breaks it. Let's say if this candle fails and doesn't close any higher, we break this, close below here, then as we're having wicks right here, we need this to close, so it'd probably be somewhere farther down, but let me move that. Yeah, you can't trade in this. This is just chop right now. I'll get my headphones real quick. All right. I am back. Just connect my. All right. So we could see a possible long if we start to squeeze this high. And we're coming to the buy area high. You did it?
Yeah.
Going from one value to the other.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm watching.
Yeah. I'm just gonna wait for the value area low. I'm waiting for this down here to like 300 area. If it has nice absorption, then I'll take it long. If it breaks, then I'll probably take a short. I think the news comes out at 7. The U.S. Existing home sales, I believe.
Yep, that's right.
Yeah, we're stuck in this value area. They haven't decided what to do yet. You can see it on the daily. You might not even see a large breakout of any sort until after 7 or move. It's 7 your time. Yes, it is 6:39 my time. Yeah, practically 7. That is right. What about you? Yannick, you said you're in France, right? Ooh. $6:40 p.m. right now. Oh, wait, Dubai. That's right, Dubai, not France. But I'm half French and half Finnish. That's okay. Hey, how is it in Dubai? Is it pretty nice? I've heard a lot of good things about Dubai. It's a very ugly first 10, 11 minutes. I just don't think. I think I'm gonna. This thing, I think it's gonna come all the way down to 300 area before we move up. If that's the case, and if it sells off, we're gonna break like the 300 area. They're probably waiting for the news, huh?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Winter's nice.
For sure it is.
Summer sucks. Spend our weekends off-roading in the desert. which is the main reason why I haven't been able to leave. You guys ride like UTVs, quads, dirt bikes? Because I'm assuming the desert there's like it's like a desert playground. There's probably miles and miles of just dunes and sands. I don't know. This might come down to the area I'm talking about. So if you notice on my chart where those lines are, those strong sells and buys, there hasn't been any sort of candle closure below those. There's strong sell and buy bubbles that have the lines on them. It's all been wicks into them. Ugh. 4x4s, nice because we don't have regulations that there are in the West. We can go anywhere and do anything in the desert. True freedom. Yeah, that's cool. We ride dirt bikes out here too in San Diego. That's me and my son. We have a few and some friends and so forth. Oh, here we go. Look at the CBD starting to tank. I want to wait for this 300 area. Go to the 54 range. Okay, we're getting some aggressive selling in this range, but I want to see if I see absorption here. This might be a good area to take along. I gotta see a buy bubble though. I'll take along here. That's not 54 range. This might be a stop loss, but yeah, it is. I should have waited a little bit longer for that, but okay. Aggressive sells for sure. So if we break it, this might just take shorts here. If it goes any further than this, we're taking shorts. Most likely. Yeah, this is a good short. There's a huge delta spike over here, and that is what I'll kind of be looking for. Final area right here. If it breaks this, then my shorts will be definitely valid at this point. I'm going long here. Range short, so we'll see how this works out. What's up, Ragul? How's it going? Slightly riskier long here, but we came to my area where there's lots of high buying volume delta in this area, so we dipped slightly below the value area low, so there's going to be buying presence. We'll see if this can hold and go back up. That's good. That's very good right here. We got to close back above this, and I can move my stop to break even. protect myself underneath here if it does, but this is the area where we got to close back above. This has to hold here. If it can't hold here, then we're in trouble. Yep, we're in trouble. Another stop loss. Okay. Yeah, as soon as it didn't hold here, I knew I was in trouble. And that delta is pretty much gone, so selling might be the way to go here now. If this next candle wicks back above, then right above this area, then I'll go long one more time. Close back above here, I'll probably be okay, and then we close above here, I'll be in really good standing. And that's not good. That sell bubble there, and we got more bubbles, which is good. So we'll see if this ends up closing above. We have some strong sell bubbles I got absorbed here in the bottom, which is usually a good sign. Oh, okay, never mind. Okay, that account, I got lost on 1,000 on that one. Wow, okay, that was a scary drop in wick. Well, not 1,000 on that one again. Lost a day's worth of profit. Bummer. Yeah. CBD's still dropping. That was weird. I'm just gonna go for a small little tick profit here. Go for a 1-to-1. Man, that was crazy. Yep, same move as yesterday. You're probably right. It's either here or we came through here, and then we're probably gonna go all the way up. Okay, recovered 460. Damn. I could have gone break retest off the value. Yeah, I probably should have gone break and retest off the value low. Not a good one on my other account. Covered half of it, but It's probably be the exact same day. We could have come all the way back down to that POC from yesterday, which is down here. If they can't sell this area, then we'll probably move up again. Like you see these two areas, strong sells, yeah. It's kind of a big stop loss here. Screw it. CBD's now grown, so this is going to be a good position to take along now. To close back above this 86 area. We could possibly get the sell-off all the way down to the bottom of the day. But this would be the last area to hold to take along, if you're going to take along. Maybe what I'll do today is we'll possibly buy another eval just to pass again on the stream. If this hits one of the targets, if I take a loss, whatever, on here. Okay, back down to 170. Unfortunately. Now we're getting strong. So this could be sells kicking in. Let's see. Close below that. That should have been a nice sell opportunity. So we close. So this looks like it's probably gonna reach the low today, if not go lower.
Yeah, testing the night, low of the night.
Yeah, we'll see. It's right, testing low night when now news is gonna come out here in about 3 minutes. I'll see if I can at least have a wash day. I can recover that other 1,000 from discount. Man, it's been a rough couple days.
It's probably worth waiting until 7 now.
Yeah. Oh, without a doubt. I'm not gonna put a trade until after 7. How about a minute and a half left? A lot of absorption down here so far. We'll see if it holds. Just gotta wait and see. All right, 1 minute. That's something. Take recognition. We count the layer high and we close below. Could have gone short somewhere right around. That was a good short right there. Not the very low. Aggressive sells. Absorption immediately. Okay. Yeah, CVD is growing. This is going to be a good short. This is going to go all the way, probably down to yesterday's low, 0.94. We'll see if news changes that trajectory, but yeah, we're about to get the volatility here. And here we are. Yep, CVD's still dropping, so some nice shorts here that we could have done. Damn.
Yeah, the home sales weren't very good, so
They weren't very good.
no.
My guess is they priced it in.
Mm-hmm.
They could have priced it in for sure. I'm gonna take a small.
Came below what the forecast, so
We'll go up here. Just to break even. Take this trade here. We have absorption here. If I can recover, pretty much put a wash of the day. If I go up 1,000 this one, then I'll be at least be washed between the two accounts. And we could come back all the way up here to the value low from the swing, so it could be come all the way back up to 300 before we sell off again. this breaks back above this, then I could move my stop somewhere right below here. We could keep trailing. If not, we break even. Gotta break above this. This is the key area, trying to hold right here at 35. If we come back and break that below, then I'll be break even. But if it climbs back up to this area above here, then I'll probably be hit take profit. But they're really protecting this area where the aggressive buying is. Let's see the daily volume profile. Okay, so that's where the buyer low sits, technically. We'll see. Alright, we break even there. I'll take that. I'd rather just break even and see what happens here. We'll see off the low. And we're getting follow through here, so we came off this area right here where this buying was. Right here, this line, if you can see. That's where we came down and retest. I'm gonna put a small risk in here and try to scalp all the way back up here. If we can go back up. We'll go right underneath this candle right here. Go right there. Now we can protect ourselves there. Lessen the risk. If we keep pushing above this and ultimately here, then we'll probably come to hit full take profit around the buyer low. If it does. And then this will be kind of a wash day between two accounts. And maybe we could try to pass eval together on here after, possibly. I'll move my stop to break even as soon as we close above this area right here. If we can close above 44, then I'll move my stop to break even. If we can't, then I'll take the small loss. strong sells here. And that's not a good sign. We gotta hold this area one more time. If we can't, then I'll take the $300 loss. Yep. Okay. Time to lock in. Ugh. So low of the day. We're at the low of the day. Man.
Tough day.
Yep.
Again.
Yeah. See what happens here at the bottom. This might be a good sell opportunity. Go right to the value here low. It's the last long I'm taking. If this breaks, then I gotta switch buys. If we can't break this, then I'll just get out early. Can't close above it. But you're seeing more absorption down here, which is a good thing. So we got to see this close above, and then yeah, I could probably move my stop to break even early, just in case if this reverts. Just gonna move it early. Yeah, this is technically the protection candle right here. Breaks back below, so I'll break even. And that's bad. Absorption candle right up there. Very bad. That's that strong buy, and they couldn't push above, so break even.
Yeah, they can't get it going.
Another break even. Yeah, this is the sellers are definitely the only time I'm gonna take it long. Again, one more time, it's comes up 213.50. If it closes above that, if it comes down and breaks this, then I'll take a short. So we're technically out of balance at the bottom here. We'll see if this gets hit. If this can keep closing above, then we will see. Just gotta see this close above that, and then I'll probably be good because we'll go at least to the value area low. I'll cover something if it does.
Looking good.
Yeah. See a large amount of absorption at the bottom, so we'll
Yeah.
see. It needs to break above these areas,
Yeah, oh yeah.
and they're
Yeah,
having a
it's
little
gotta-
bit, but CBD is starting to grow, so it's looking more and more promising.
The VIX is dropping too, so
That's a good thing. Yeah. I could lessen my risk here, and this last aggressive sell, I'll put it there. I could protect myself here now. One more time. We'll see if it. Once we get to the value low, I'll protect myself. Ooh, that was not good. Built the break. We gotta hold this area here, otherwise
yeah.
this could come ripping down. But if we hold this area and we test the value low, I'll probably go all the way back up to this range of 280. We're closing above this area, which is good so far. So if we get more aggression up in this area, then we'll be solid. If we can't, then we're in trouble. I'm just gonna go ahead and protect myself. No.
Oh wow, you're looking good.
Yep.
Yeah, I went up to that top of that range. Just
Yeah, the value area low is right there too, which is that's gonna be where resistance is. So if we can break through that, we'll be all right. But
mhm.
there's no aggression on the buying, so I need to see when it comes back up. If it comes back up to there, I need to see aggressive buying. So ooh, that was close. Very close. Oh. Yeah, it's probably gonna break me even. This is just aggressive. Yeah, break me even. I think I'm in the right trade, but I don't want to hold on to this, especially with how aggressive sellers have been. We did bounce out the buyer low, so aggressive sells. Close back below it. Close back up here. That'd be the area. Not selling is going to continue down even further. So I'll put it here. Wait for this area right here. Just get tested. We'll see what happens there. Oh, didn't mean to fill an order there, but I wanted to fill a lower. Right there. Oh. Might be another early day for me. Oh well.
Yeah, I don't like what ES is doing.
Yeah, this is not. Yeah, no. Okay. I'll be right back. Gotta grab a few things.
There was a hair, like on top of the foam. Looks like an eyelash or something. Yeah. Not gonna kill us.
What's that? Man, that sucks. It did come up, huh?
I'm getting coffee. I haven't looked at it.
Yeah. Yeah,
Just
you're
gotta
right.
break that compression zone.
Yeah.
Otherwise,
Yeah, one of the two. That is the big question.
yeah, it tried, but but you couldn't do it.
Mm-hmm. So the big question is accumulation to go up or down? Yeah. We're off the value low, so it's kind of in la la land right now. So we're bouncing off and
Yeah, there's no really good setups right now.
just go on 1 minute. I just want to see what this looks like real quick. So back to 54. Last trade. Yeah, that's it for me. I don't know, dude. Whatever. Okay, I gotta be better.
You go long again.
I hit it. Yeah, I hit a lot. I didn't know what I was doing there. I just made a bad decision. I thought I was gonna pull off this value low, but I should have been more waiting until 259. Okay, well, I gotta get the kids ready. This is not a good morning again.
Same
Yeah,
playbook as yesterday.
yeah, same exact thing. Unfortunately. Okay.
Yeah.
Well, I'll be probably back on later, about an hour. So I'm gonna go get the kids ready. Not a good morning. I hit my losses again on these ones. I'm done on those two ones. All right. Well, I'll be back.
All right.